pride. From morning light to evening's glow, God's beauty is all